Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Feeling stuck on a treadmill while the rich keep winning? You're not alone. Most people are trapped in financial struggle without realizing it. Today, we'll uncover habits that keep people poor and strategies to build wealth. Ready to stop living paycheck to paycheck? Let's dive in. Number 1. Your job is a slow death sentence. Let's be brutally honest. Your 9-to-5 job is not the path to wealth. It might feel secure, but it's a slow and painful death sentence to a life of mediocrity. Think about it. You're trading 40 hours a week, 52 weeks a year for the next 40 years of your life. For what? A pension that won't even keep up with inflation? The rich understand that a job is just a means to an end. They use their income to build assets that work for them, generating passive income and building wealth even while they sleep. And the best part is, you can do it too. Number 2, poor people. Save, rich people invest. Look, I get it. Saving money feels good. It gives you a sense of security. But the harsh reality is, if you're just stashing your cash in a savings account, you're actually losing money. Inflation is silently eating away at your hard-earned savings every single day. The average savings account interest rate is a measly 0.05%, while inflation is hovering around 2%. The wealthy understand that to truly grow their money, they need to put it to work. They invest in assets that outpace inflation, like stocks, real estate, or businesses. While saving is important for short-term goals, investing is the key to building long-term wealth. Number 3. Poor people focus on cutting costs. Rich people focus on increasing income. Now, I'm all for being frugal and saving money where you can. But here's the thing. You can only cut back so much. There's a limit to how much you can save, but there's no limit to how much you can earn. The wealthy understand this fundamental truth. They're not obsessed with clipping coupons and pinching pennies. Instead, they focus their energy on creating multiple streams of income. The average millionaire has 7 streams of income. Start by leveraging your skills and passions. Explore side hustles, invest in dividend-paying stocks, or create passive income streams through online businesses or real estate. Number 4. Poor people work for money. Rich people make money work for them. Most people are stuck in the rat race, trading their time for money. The rich leverage their money to work for them, investing in assets that generate passive income. This allows them to earn money while sleeping or traveling. Number 5. Poor people buy liabilities. Rich people buy assets. Most people are drowning in liabilities, car payments, credit card debt, new gadgets. The wealthy acquire assets, things that put money in your pocket. Focus on assets to build your financial future. Number 6. Poor people live for today. Rich people plan for tomorrow. Enjoy life, but don't live for instant gratification. Poor people focus on immediate pleasure. The wealthy value delayed gratification. They plan, invest, and make strategic decisions. Number 7. Poor people avoid risks. Rich people take calculated risks. Let me be clear. I'm not advocating for reckless gambling or making rash decisions. But the truth is, if you want to achieve extraordinary results, you have to be willing to step outside of your comfort zone. Poor people tend to be risk-averse. They'd rather play it safe. even if it means settling for mediocrity. The wealthy understand that calculated risks are essential for growth. They do their research, weigh the potential rewards against the risks, and then take action. Every successful entrepreneur, investor, or business owner has faced setbacks and failures along the way. It's part of the journey. The key is to learn from your mistakes, adapt, and keep moving forward. Number 8. Poor people think they know it all. Rich people continuously learn. The world is constantly changing, and the financial landscape is no exception. Poor people often think they know everything. They're resistant to new ideas and growth. The wealthy are lifelong learners. They seek knowledge, read, attend seminars, and listen to podcasts. Surround yourself with people who challenge you. Invest in your financial education. Learn about finance, investing, and wealth building. Number 9. Poor people blame others. Rich people take responsibility. It's easy to blame external factors for our financial struggles. The economy, the government, our upbringing. It's always someone else's fault, right? But the truth is, blaming others is a victim mentality. The wealthy understand they are responsible for their own financial destiny. They focus on what they can control and take proactive steps. Take ownership of your financial situation. Focus on what you can do today to create a better future. Number 10. Poor people follow the crowd. Rich people think independently. We live in a world bombarded with messages about what to buy and how to live. Poor people follow the crowd, trying to keep up with the Joneses. The wealthy think independently. They don't follow trends or peer pressure. They research, think critically, and align choices with their values. Don't be afraid to be different. Think for yourself and make your own path to financial freedom. Number 11. Poor people have a scarcity mindset. Rich people have an abundance mindset. Your mindset is everything. Poor people often operate from a scarcity mindset, believing that there's not enough to go around. They're constantly worried about money, focused on what they lack. The wealthy have an abundance mindset. They believe in unlimited opportunities for wealth and success. They're grateful, generous, and open to new possibilities. Focus on the good things in your life. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people. Remember, your thoughts become your reality. Number 12. Poor people procrastinate. Rich people take action. Procrastination kills dreams. Poor people delay, but the wealthy take action. They set goals and act, even if it's a small step. What's one thing you've been putting off? Start today. Number 13. Poor people are afraid of change. Rich people embrace change. Change is inevitable, whether we like it or not. Poor people often resist change, clinging to the familiar even if it's no longer serving them. They're afraid to step outside of their comfort zones. And, as a result, they miss out on opportunities for growth and abundance. The wealthy embrace change. They see it as an opportunity for innovation, adaptation, and growth. They're constantly learning, evolving, and pivoting their strategies to stay ahead of the curve. Instead of fearing change, embrace it as an opportunity for growth. Be open to new ideas, new technologies, and new ways of doing things. Number 14. Poor people focus on problems. Rich people focus on solutions. It's easy to get caught up in the negativity of our problems. Poor people often dwell on what's wrong, complain about their circumstances, and focus on the obstacles in their path. The wealthy are solution-oriented. They recognize that problems are inevitable, but they don't let them hold them back. Instead of dwelling on the negativity, they focus their energy on finding solutions and taking action. The next time you're faced with a problem, ask yourself, what's the solution? Instead of dwelling on the negativity, shift your focus to finding a way forward. Number 15. Poor people think small. Rich people think big. Your thoughts determine your reality. Poor people limit themselves by thinking small. They set small goals and settle for less. The wealthy dare to dream big. They set ambitious goals and believe anything is possible. Don't be afraid to dream big. What would you do if you knew you couldn't fail? Set audacious goals that excite you. Break them down into actionable steps and start today. So, there you have it. 15 brutal truths that separate the poor from the rich. Your financial destiny is not set in stone. Change your mindset, adopt new habits, and create abundance. Smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. We're dropping game-changing financial strategies every week. Knowledge without action is useless. What will you do with it? Will you take control of your financial future? The choice is yours.